Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Samsung 10,000 milliamp 2-in-1 fast charge, wireless charge, portable battery. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $45. Now on a side note, if you buy this from Samsung.com, you're going to be looking at $60. So my advice, buy it on Amazon, save $15. Now this is available in two different colors. You got pink and silver. Now I went with the pink because the silver is sold out until next week and I got to take a trip. So for this video, we're going to call it rose gold so I can feel better about myself. All right, so let's get into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Samsung wireless charger, portable battery, 10,000 milliamp battery, and USB-C cable. Let's go through the features. You got fast charge. Deliver up to 7.5 watts of wireless charging to your Galaxy S10, Note 9, or other compatible Samsung smartphone. Now that's 7.5 watts of fast wireless charging. If you want the full 15 watts charging, then you're going to have to use a USB-C cable. Charge your Galaxy Watch or your Galaxy Buds. All right, so you could give your Gear S3, Gear Sport, Galaxy Watch, or Galaxy Buds a wireless boost. On the go or on your end table. Works as a tabletop wireless charger pad when plugged in. Now this is Qi certified, so works with Qi compatible smartphones, including your Galaxy S10, Note 9, Apple iPhone 8, iPhone, and Google Pixel 3. So basically any phone that has wireless charging. All right, so let's see what it is. Okay. On the go, on the road, charge your Galaxy Buds, and you can even charge two devices at the same time. So one wirelessly and one using a USB-C cable. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Well, we got the Spider-Man on deck. Here we go. Rah. Okay, so let's see what it is. $45. All right, sorry about that, shoes. All right, so inside, got another white box. Nice and clean. I know how I like it. All right, here we go. Nice presentation on this. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. This should be a little USB Type-C cable. Okay. Flat USB Type-C cable. White in color. And here's your fast charger, wireless charger, 10,000 milliamp portable battery bank. Fast charger on the front. Now this has a nice weight to it. A little bit heavier than a Galaxy phone. Soft matte feel on this, no fingerprints, 10,000 milliamps. On the top, here's your USB out. So this is where you're going to plug your USB cable in, either USB Type-C or USB-A, charge up your devices. Here's USB Type-C in. This is how you're going to charge the battery bank. You got 5 LED lights and your power button with another LED indicator. So basically 4 LED lights and an LED indicator. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's see. Like I said, when you want to charge it up, you plug in the USB-C, plug this into any phone charger, wall charger, computer, whatever you got. And when you want to charge your phone, you plug this in, you charge your phone, and you drop another phone on the top. 2 damn devices at the same damn time. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll grab some different devices, and then we'll try this out. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so first, let's try some earbuds. We got the Galaxy Buds. Okay, there it is. You see that red light? Charging up. Now let's try the Apple AirPods. See the red light? Charging up. And let's try the Huawei FreeBuds. See those green lights? Charging up. All right, so now let's try my Gear S3. Charging right up. All right, so now let's try 4 different phones from 4 different companies. First, we got the iPhone XS Max. Charging right up. Next, we got the Google Pixel 3 XL. Charging up. Next, we got the Huawei P30 Pro. Charging up. And of course, let's try the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Charging up, and not only is it charging, but if you read the bottom, let's turn that off. Fast charging wirelessly. All right, so now let's try two phones at the same time. We're going to grab the USB-C charger. Let's start with the Galaxy S10 5G. Okay, so that's charging up. And we'll grab a P30 Pro. Two phones charging at the same time. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. For $45, the price is right. Now, if you got any of the Galaxy watches that have wireless charge, any wireless charge earbuds, or any phone that has wireless charging, you need this. Trust me. The build quality is excellent. Has a nice metallic feel to it. No fingerprints. The front is all soft rubberized material, so it's not going to scratch up your phone. And it's nice and lightweight, so you can easily carry this and your phone in your pocket with no problems. Now, as far as the look, nice minimalistic look. Nice and sleek, nice and sexy. Got all your buttons and LEDs on the top. Real nice. But most importantly, 10,000 milliamps of fast wireless charging. Now that's 7.5 watts of fast wireless charge. If you want the full 15 watts, just use the cable and you're good to go. This is a triple major go, 100% White Shoes approved. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I'll see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock wanted to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. The nails, the nails. Okay.